Don't stress unnecessarily on words, otherwise your fluency will drop. My second tip is for summarize written text, which is the first task in writing. Now, summarize written text also contributes maybe 5 to 6 points per question in your reading score out of 90. And it's very important that you choose your keywords or sentences smartly and wisely. If you don't, then obviously the reading score will go down. So make sure that your answer in summarized written text is a single sentence which has only one full stop at the end, and use connectors like moreover, however, and but, conjunctions like these smartly. My third tip is for highlight incorrect words, which is task number 7 in listening. This is a fairly simple task where you click on incorrect words in the transcript which do not match with the audio. Although this task is simple, it's very easy to make mistakes. There could be some additional disturbance in the background playing while the audio is going on. So be very attentive, be very focused, or if you make mistakes, there could be a penalty which could impact your listening and reading scores.